Okay, how coal and petroleum are formed? Coal. Coal is formed from the remains of plants under the earth's crust over the period of millions of years. What happened? There were thick forest on the earth millions years ago. स्वैम्पी एरियाज में दलदल में थिक फॉरेस्ट थे, बहुत प्लांट्स थे, तो ड्यू टू सर्टेन रीजंस वो दब गए अर्थ के नीचे, ऊपर और लेयर्स पड़ती गई। आफ्टर थाउजेंड्स और मिलियंस ईयर्स के बाद जो नीचे वाली लेयर्स थी दे गॉट प्रेस्ड। ओके, उनकी बर्निंग स्लो बर्निंग होती गई इन द एब्सेंस ऑफ एयर, धीरे धीरे करके वो किस में चेंज हो गए? कोल में। ओके, सो कोल इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम द रिमेन्स ऑफ is formed from the remains of plants. This is important. Coal is made from the remains of plants. Animals नहीं, animals से जो बने that is petroleum. Which animals? Which lived in the sea millions years ago. तो जो plants थे which were there on the earth's surface and they got buried under the earth crust, millions years के बाद धीरे धीरे वो change हुए into coal. So coal is formed from remains of plants under the earth's crust. Under the earth's crust over the period of millions of years. Over the period of millions of years. These are not formed in one day or in 1 year. इनको millions years लगे हैं because it is very slow process. जैसे आप wood को जलाती हो तो आप means within a few minutes it will get burnt in the presence of oxygen. But ये formation हुई है in the absence of air, slow cooking हुई है wood की, plants की, so it took millions of years. And petroleum, next is petroleum. Petroleum is formed by the slow decomposition of decomposition petroleum is formed by the slow decomposition of dead remains of sea plants and animals. Dead remains of C, plants and animals. This from C, जो C में छोटे छोटे plants और animals which lived, वो नहीं होगा बेटा, ऑनलाइन वालों के लिए फोकस करिए. Remains of sea animals and plants which sank at the bottom over millions of years. Which sank at the bottom सी के बॉटम में, ओके, डेड होने के बाद वो डूब गए और कहाँ पे सेटल हो गए, एट द बॉटम ऑफ द सी. ऊपर और सैंड की लेयर्स पड़ती गई. मिलियंस ईयर्स के बाद वो इतना डीप चले गए कि एट हाई टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर दे टर्न्ड इनटू पेट्रोलियम. ओवर मिलियंस ऑफ ईयर्स. Over millions of years. Okay, beta. Now next and last long question. What are the various uses of rocks and minerals? What are the various uses of rocks and minerals? Question number 5. Yes, what are the various uses of rocks and minerals? Write down. They are used yes, who will tell where do we use them? Rocks and minerals जितने आपने सभी की एग्जांपल्स की हैं, इट शुड नॉट बी देयर कि आप वो ही लिख रहे हो जो मैं लिखवा रही हूँ. यू कैन राइट ऑन योर ओन ऑल्सो. जितने एग्जांपल्स की हैं सबके हमने यूजेस भी किए हैं. यू कैन पिक द पॉइंट्स फ्रॉम देयर ऑल्सो. फर्स्ट वन, फॉर कंस्ट्रक्शन पर्पसेस. बहुत सारी रॉक्स हैं. Most of the rocks are used for construction purposes. Okay, granite, marble, sandstone, sabhi jo rocks hain, they are used for construction purposes. Pumice also. So very first point is for construction purposes. Metallic minerals are like iron, okay, like metallic minerals में iron is used for construction purposes. Okay, aluminium is used for making doors, windows. Iron से handles of the drawers. Clear? Yes. So they are used for construction purposes. For example, iron, marble, etc. Iron, marble, aluminium, sandstone, granite. You can write any example. Second, to make utensils. Because हम इसको continue कर रहे हैं तो you can write this small. Second point is to make utensils. Example, make utensils. For example, let's complete it. Iron, aluminium, etc. Yes, yes. Iron, aluminium, etc. Third point is to make jewelry like gold, silver. Silver, etc. Fourth, to make electric wires. For example, who will tell? Yes. Make wires, for example. And fifth one, at least five we will write. Coal and petroleum are also obtained from fossils. They are very useful to us. Coal and petroleum are also obtained from they are very useful for us. Okay, beta, now you have to revise these. I'll send the PDF also, okay? Thank you, beta. If any problem is there, so you can contact me any